Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to use used to describe past habits. Let's begin with the key points. What does used to mean? Structure of used to, talking about family and friends' past habits. Practice examples. Summary. What does used to mean? We use used to describe things that happened regularly in the past but do not happen now. For example, I used to play basketball every weekend. I played basketball in the past, but I don't play anymore. She used to live in Spain. She lived in Spain before, but now she doesn't. Used to shows that something was a habit in the past, but it doesn't happen anymore. Structure of used to. The structure of used to is simple. Subject, then used to, then base verb. Examples. I used to eat cereal for breakfast. My father used to work in a factory. We used to go camping in the summer. Notice that after used to, we use the base verb. No I, N, G, or E, D. Talking about family and friends' past habits. We can also use used to talk about the past habits of our family and friends. For example, my dad used to play basketball when he was young. My grandmother used to bake fresh bread every morning. My best friend used to have long hair. Practice examples. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I used to play outside all day when I was a child. My grandfather used to work as a carpenter. My sister used to eat ice cream every day in the summer. We used to watch cartoons every Saturday morning. I used to play the piano, but I don't anymore. Well done. Summary. Let's review what we learned today. Used to describes past habits and routines that don't happen anymore. I used to watch cartoons every morning. The structure is subject, then used to, then base verb. She used to travel a lot. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.